Good morning, children. Children, today we will do one maths activity in your maths textbook. So take out page number 61. Today we will do addition by counting forward. So let us start. Listen carefully. Let's add 5 and 3. Count 3 numbers after 5. Whenever you add 5 and 3, in that case you have to do forward counting after 5. So, after 5, 6, 7 and 8. Total beats are 8, so the sum is 8. Now, let's find the sum of 8 and 5. It means आपको अभी 8 और 5 को add करना है. For 8, count 5 beats after 8 beats. इसका मतलब आपको 8 beat के बाद 5 beats count करना है. So after 8, we will do forward counting, that is 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So your answer is 13. 8 plus 5 is 13. So total beats are 13. While adding two numbers, count forward the numbers equal to the second number after the first number. जब आप दो नंबर को ऐड करेंगे तो जो बिगर नंबर है उसके बाद आपको जो स्मॉलर नंबर है उसका फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग करना है. एडिशन विल बी इजी इफ वी टेक बिगर नंबर एंड देन काउंट फॉरवर्ड द स्मॉलर नंबर. आपको एडिशन इजी होगा जब आप बिगर नंबर को माइंड में रखेंगे और स्मॉलर नंबर को आप फिंगर में निकाल के फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, while adding 4 and 9, 4 plus 9, counting for number after 9 is easier than counting 9 number after 4. जब आप 4 और 9 को ऐड करेंगे तो 4 के बाद आपको 9 फॉरवर्ड नंबर काउंट करना थोड़ा डिफ़िकल्ट जाएगा. इसलिए आप 9 को पहले माइंड में रखेंगे और 4 फिंगर्स निकाल के 9 के बाद आप 4 फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग करेंगे. सो इट विल बी वेरी ईजियर फॉर यू. Understood, children? So let us do some examples. Let's practice addition. 8 plus 6. In that case, put 8 in your mind and take out your 6 finger. And after 8, do forward counting of 6 fingers. So take out your 6 fingers and put 8 in your mind. So after 8, put down your fingers one by one. After 8, take out 6 fingers and do forward counting. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. आपके 6 fingers पूरे down हो गए. It means 8 plus 6 is 14. Okay. Next is 4 plus 9. In that case, 9 is bigger number and 4 is smaller number. So for easier way, put 9 in your mind and take out 4 finger. So after 9, do forward counting. So take out your 4 finger and after 9, take out your 4 finger. 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Okay. So your answer is 13. Similarly, 7 plus 5. Put 7 in your mind and take out 5 finger and do forward counting after 7. So after 7, take out your 5 fingers and put down one by one. After 7, do forward counting. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So your answer is here 12. Now here 7 plus 7. Both numbers are same. So put 7 in your mind and take out 7 fingers in your hand. So take out 7 fingers and put 7 in your mind. After 7, do forward counting. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Okay. Now here 12 plus 4. 12 is bigger number. So put 12 in your mind and take out your 4 finger. And after 12, do forward counting. So take out your 4 finger first. Okay. Now after 12, do forward counting. After 12, yes, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So your answer is 16. Okay, children. Now next is 15 plus 5. Similarly, put 15 in your mind and do forward counting. by using 5 fingers. So take out your 5 finger first. Okay. Now after 15, do forward counting. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So your answer is 20. Now 17 plus 2. Put 17 in your mind. Do with me. Yes. And take out your 2 fingers. Very good. Now after 17, do forward counting. Means you have to put down your 2 fingers by doing forward counting. So 17, 18, 19. Okay. So your answer is 19. Now 12 plus 6. Here bigger number is 12. So put 12 in your mind and take out 6 fingers. After 12, do forward counting. Do with me. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. आपको अपने फिंगर्स डाउन करने हैं. ओके, पहले आप 6 फिंगर्स निकालेंगे और 12 के बाद आप फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग जब करेंगे तो आपको अपने फिंगर एक एक करके बंद करने हैं. ओके, सो 12 plus 6, 18. Now 13 plus 4. Again put 13 bigger number in your mind and take out 4 fingers in your hand. Now after 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So answer is 17. And the last one, 11 plus 7. So put 11 in your mind and take out your 7 fingers. 7 fingers निकालेंगे आप अपने hands में, दोनों hands में. 5 finger one hand में और 2 finger second hand में. Now after 11, एक एक नंबर, एक एक फिंगर आपको बंद करना है. After 11, do forward counting. 11. Now 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So your answer is 18. Okay children. Now and this is your answer. I hope you understood the concept of forward counting. Till then, bye bye.